Yo, what's up guys? Today, we've got something seriously cool, the Bose Smart Ultra Dolby Atmos Soundbar. If you're looking for next-level immersive sound, crystal clear dialogue, and seamless connectivity, this might just be the best soundbar you can get right now. And of course, if you're interested, check out the link in the description to grab one for yourself. Let's get into it. Immersive sound with Dolby Atmos. This thing is all about that big room-filling sound. It's powered by Dolby Atmos, meaning it separates instruments, dialogue, and effects, making everything feel spatial and lifelike. Whether you're watching movies, gaming, or streaming music, it's designed to put you right in the action. Next-level audio technology. TrueSpace technology enhances non-Atmos content, so everything sounds immersive, even if it wasn't mixed in Atmos. AI dialogue mode auto-balances sound levels to make voices clearer, even over loud background noise. Upward-firing speakers. This is where the magic happens. They bounce sound off your ceiling, creating a full 3D surround sound experience. And let's be real, dialogue clarity can make or break a sound system. AI dialogue mode makes sure voices are crisp and clear, so you don't have to keep rewinding to hear what was just said. Seamless connectivity and smart features. Simple setup, HDMI eARC or optical cable, plug it in, and you're good to go. Or just use the Bose Music App for a smooth setup. Multi-device syncing, works with Bose Bluetooth speakers and Bose headphones for a whole house audio experience. Built-in Alexa and Google Assistant, yep, voice control built right in. Heads up, availability may vary depending on your country. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth support, stream wirelessly from your phone, tablet, or laptop. No messy cables needed. ADAPTiQ Calibration, automatically tunes the sound to fit your room's acoustics, so it always sounds just right. Basically, you don't have to be an audio expert to get perfectly balanced sound. This soundbar does all the work for you. Premium design and user-friendly controls. Noise-rejecting microphones pick up voice commands even in noisy environments. Touch controls for easy volume and playback adjustments, or just use your phone. Seriously, Bose made it stupid easy to control this thing. Whether it's your voice, your phone, or just a tap, it just works. Yeah, it's not perfect, but if you're looking for a high-end, plug-and-play soundbar that just works, this is it. The Bose Smart Ultra Dolby Atmos soundbar is one of the best all-in-one soundbars out there. You're getting incredible Dolby Atmos performance, smart voice controls, and easy connectivity, all in a sleek package. And honestly, for this price, you're getting serious value. Upgrade your home audio today. Hit the link in the description and check it out for yourself. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more awesome tech content.